So if you see here, the very first one, x plus 1 whole square minus 3. So if I look into this parabola, this is concave up parabola, right? X plus 1, the coefficient of x square is positive. And what is the vertex? The vertex of A is negative 1 comma negative 3. So the second thing that I'm going to look into the vertex of all the graph that I have. Which one is having negative 1 comma negative 3 as their vertex, and as well as that parabola is concave up. So I can see here that C part, the C1, this, the vertex is negative 1 comma negative 3, and this parabola is concave up as well, right? Any other graph having the vertex negative 1 comma negative 3? No. So C is the perfect match of A, right? So A belongs to C. Now if I just look into the B, the graph is x square plus 2. What happens with this graph? What is the y-intercept? If I just ask you what is the y-intercept of this graph? If I put x is equal to 0, what happens with the y? Y will be 2, right? So the y-intercept of this graph is 0 comma 2, right? And that same will going to become my vertex as well. So I'll just going to look into the parabolas with having 0 comma 2 as the vertex as well as the y-intercept. So I can see there is B which is having 0 comma 2 as the vertex and the y-intercept 2. Then there is E is also having 0 comma 2 as the vertex as well as the y-intercept. But which one I should choose, B or E? That is the question. Now the next thing I am going to look into the curvature of the B. The coefficient of x square is 1, right? A positive coefficient. It means my parabola is concave up, right? So the E is the perfect match of the parabola B. So B belongs to E. This is x square plus 2. Basically the parabola is uplifted 2 unit upward. X square is uplifted 2 unit upward, right? Okay, so A and B sorted. You need to figure out about C, D, E, F. Yes. Which one is having 2 comma 1 as the vertex? I think the part F. And other than that, this is concave up parabola. So just look into that again. the C parabola, is it concave up? The coefficient of x square is positive, so yes, it is concave up. So C belongs to F. Yes, D belongs to B. So B is sorted, C is sorted, E is sorted, F sorted. Now you have E and F that will decide capital A and capital D. Now it's very easy to even decide. Now we have the two graph and the two questions left. You don't need to look anything. Just look. One graph is concave up, other graph is concave down. So that is giving you the clear picture. E is concave up parabola, right? X square negative 3x negative 1. The coefficient of x square is positive. So between A and D, which one is concave up? Of course, A1. So it's automatically belongs to A, right? And a small f, if you see 2 minus x square, this parabola is concave down. So of course we only left with D, so we don't have any other option. So D belongs to a small f, right? Okay, great.